Hey everybody. Today I have new releases for you, as well as down below you'll find the link to our new shop, where you will be able to find our stickers for your planners, planner accessories, as well as SVG files that we create as well. And most of our SVG files will be customizable, either by you or by us. It's something that we will be offering in the near future. So, and I'm also going to show you a small TN pocket size that I made, and just kind of trying to get some feedback on if that would be something you guys would be interested in me bringing to the shop as well. So let's get started, and I am actually going to move those to the side. These are our new script stickers for school. No school, early dismissal. So those are coming to the shop today. And then as we are going into spring and summer, I have softball stickers. And I'm not sure if you guys can see those. So these will be to the shop. You can purchase the softball practice or softball game ones. I will be doing soccer and baseball shortly. And then we have another no school and early dismissal. I've had a couple of customers request some of these, so those are coming to the shop. And then these are our March monthly paydays. So colors. So, and this is in honor of my daughter, which her birthday is on St. Patrick's Day, and she asked me to create some monthly ones in the St. Patrick colors for her planner. So I thought I'd bring these to the shop. I don't know if you can see, but I did kind of like an ombre on this payday. You really can't see it very well, but I will take pictures and post them as well. So those are some of the new stickers that are coming to the shop. I have been playing with the foil. I'm still working on those. I might bring some of my oops foils to the shop in grab bags, so watch for those. So as I practice with the foiling, in time for Easter, we have these two new bow clips for your planners. I really love these. These ones have little Easter eggs on them, and they're so spring, and they have this little flower on them as well. Those are two new ones. And I am also bringing these Silver Delight mini clips to the shop as well. It will be this set of 3, and as I make more, I will add them to the shop. So, and now on to the TN that I created is this cute black TN. I had found this leather that was already stamped and embossed, so it does have a texture on it. The ones that I will be bringing to the shop will not have the texture, but will be in this cute pocket size, which I absolutely love. And inside here, there are no pockets, which I don't really mind. I don't mind not having pockets. I did make some dashboard covers for mine as well. So, and I'm just going to try to switch to a page. These do fit the pocket size Annie Plans inserts, which I love. I love her inserts. I do have the week on 4 pages in here, and I also have her list one as well, and her blog and YouTube, and her other shop one there. So I do have those in there, and I can still get more notebooks in here. Right now I currently have 4. I can get up to 6 in here. So I will be adding more into my planner. But if you think that you would be interested in one of these, please let me know in the comments below. I don't want to bring something to the shop that nobody really wants. So, and you know, there's a lot of people out there that make the TNs. I have fun making them, and so if you think it would be something that you would like to see in the shop, please leave me a comment below. Any other suggestions, leave below. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's quick little video, and I hope to see you all soon. And again, remember, click to subscribe to receive updates of new videos and more Plan With Me's, as well as other videos coming soon to showcase the silhouette, as well as maybe some Cricut videos as well. So, and make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So, have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.